Yeah, I think with any company you're going to have, trade secrets. You're going to have something that you do very well. You have to be able to communicate that to essentially a partner. When you're working with a digital marketing group, you're partnering up with somebody, so that level of trust is extremely high. And Equus Group was, a perfect fit for where we wanted to go in the future and to partner up with them moving forward. We wanted to really make sure that we had Enterprise Welding. We were showing the world, or showing our customers, Enterprise Welding in the way that they should see us. An innovative company who invests in high technology, invests in not only the technology but in the people. We're not a job shop. We are a manufacturing facility. We have a campus here, and we are the real deal. And we needed to make sure that we show in the world that, and we have a lot to offer. Digital marketing is something that we're all learning, including myself, and Equus Group has really helped us and helped myself really teach me on how it could be beneficial for us, show me the way, and so I have really relied on them a lot for that. You can partner up with them, you can develop a sense of trust. A lot of the ideas that we had, that they can put it down and actually roll it out for you. And they can also provide a lot of other services that I was completely unaware of. We're now doing the CRM package, we're going to be doing the website, we're going to be getting into video production, and so I thought it was a very innovative way of looking at marketing in a way that I've never really kind of looked at it before. So I'm super excited, and I think that we've only honestly just scratched the surface. So I can't be happier, and I'm so looking forward to what's more to come working with them.